It is breakfast time. So we are wondering if anybody knows what these birds are. Don't go too far, bird.
They squeak.
They squeak and make funny noises. Alright, so we tried contacting the kayaking place like 3 or 4 times with no luck. They never answered at all. So we are walking to the beach, which is right down the street from the hostel.
Look at this cactus.
Yeah, I know, right?
That's huge.
Those are pretty cool.
And this one. Anyway.
Yeah, so anyway, there's the beach right down the road. We're like 4 houses down. So we're going to go check it out. It's supposed to be pretty nice from what she read. So we'll at least get some sun on our last day, and that should be nice. Alright, so here is the beach. Oh, it's soft sand. You should feel it. The sand is super soft. Like, I don't know if I felt sand this soft before. Feels really nice. Yeah, pretty neat, huh?
Softest sand in the world.
That's what I was just saying. I don't
It's like walking on a cloud.
I don't know if I've ever felt sand this soft before.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're gonna find a place to flop ourselves down and at least get some sun for a little bit. Ooh.
What was that?
Good company. That was probably that's probably like sea creatures burying up under the sand. It's gonna pop up under your towel and it's gonna attack you from beneath.
Well, that's not good news.
Not for you.
Hey, I matched my towel.
We'll soak it in. Oh yeah. Did you do that on purpose?
No.
It's hard to tell where you end and the towel begins.
I disappeared.
Disappeared.
I'm not here anymore.
So it is exceptionally hot today, so we are gonna walk the beach and sit on the beach for a while. Try and see if there's like a little food truck or anything. We wanna grab something to drink because I drank all of our water. So we're just gonna wander up the beach a little while and see what we can see. Cold?
No, it's
Feels nice?
nice.
Yeah. Well, the beach is really nice. She was out swimming and thought maybe it was a good spot to get her snorkels. So since we are just on the other side of that tall building, we're actually just kind of behind it actually. We're just gonna pop over, grab our snorkels, and we're gonna head back out and see if we can see any fish-like creatures. Okay, so what we decided to do, come to this beach, which is supposed to be one of the best beaches in this area. There is lots of good snorkeling spots. We're going up this way, back up to the roof where we're gonna put our stuff out to dry and we're gonna sit and relax, and it's gonna be glorious. Alright, so we are off. We are going to try and find a new place for supper. It's supposed to be a traditional Puerto Rican place, so that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go there and hopefully we can find it with no problems. We're just going to be walking, so it's not too far from where we're at. He made her drink, which is there. And he had some left over in his blender, so he just dropped it off. And then earlier they gave us a sample of their fish dumpling, and it was delicious. And, you know, just talk to some people, and you know, it really makes a big difference when you're somewhere new. So make sure when you're at places you're friendly and you're talking, and you know, good karma comes your way, I guess. My meal looks delicious. No meal for you yet. Here's the game. Looks delicious. Go ahead, take a bite. See how it is. There we go. So, if you're over on this side of the island, which is close to Fajardo, this is Luquillo, by the way. Stop in that place. It's more pricey than some of the other places we've been to, but easily twice as good.